Sorting, searching, and filtering are ways to quickly find documents that are stored on your computer based on specific criteria. These operations are indispensable when you need to process and present information you have gathered. For example, you can use them to track down, among all the documents you have saved in an information search, the ones that deal with a particular topic or that were written by a particular author. The sort, search, and filter functions are especially effective if you have added metadata to your documents, a skill described in another ICT Profile for College Students video. Let's start with the sort options that can be used for documents in the same folder. To access this function, your Explorer window has to be set up to display file details. Certain basic document properties can then be viewed, such as the document type and size, but you can also add other columns of information by right-clicking a column heading to open the menu, and then checking the columns you want to add. Each column represents a sort criterion. For example, when you click the heading of the name column, the documents are displayed in alphabetical order. When you click Size, the documents are displayed based on their size in kilobytes. Notice that if you click again on the same column heading, the documents will rearrange themselves in the reverse order, whether they have been sorted by size or in alphabetical order. Another way to quickly locate files stored on your computer, no matter which folder they are in, is to use search tools. One of the ways to do this is to use your operating system's main search tool. Enter a word or part of a word. As you enter the characters, items on your computer that contain these characters will appear, whether they are files, folders, or programs. The characters you enter may be in the name or the content of the items that appear in the list. Another method is to use the search function of a specific folder or library. Remember that the characters you enter will be searched in the titles and the content of the files, as well as in the metadata, such as authors and keywords. To narrow down your search, certain filters can be useful. A filter is a criterion that is applied to a data set. The data that do not meet the criterion are rejected, and those that do are kept or filtered. In Windows 7, filters are available in the search box of each folder and library. Click on the filter you want, and then, depending on the type of filter you choose, directly enter a value or select one of the suggested values. You can combine several filters and several values to optimize your results. The filters suggested by the system change based on the library. For example, the filters offered for pictures are different from those offered for music files, which are in turn different from the filters for videos. Depending on which operating system you are using, there are other options that help you narrow in even more closely on your files by applying additional filters from the sort criteria. Learn to sort, search, and filter your digital documents and become a master of the art of finding exactly what you want, exactly when you need it.